I said meow meow I'm a sheep. Meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow I'm a sheep. Meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow I'm a sheep. Meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow I'm a sheep.
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one meow meow like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe!
Throw your hands up, then point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now, and meow meow like a sheep.
Meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow I'm a sheep. Meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow I'm a sheep. Meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow I'm a sheep. Meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow I'm a sheep. Meow meow I said
You got to
meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow I'm a sheep. Meow meow I said
you got to
meow meow I'm a sheep. I said meow meow
like a sheep.
So, you know how to like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do?
Throw your hands up and point them to the sky.